Welcome back to Crypto Wealthy channel, guys. In this episode we're going to discuss about BZRX, or new branded coin OOKI. We're going to discuss about the price exclusively because the staking system is still not giving us rewards, because they have some technicalities that needs to be finished first on the Chainlink blockchain. After that is done, we're going to see all staked rewards that we should receive in the previous period on our account. So no, I didn't receive any of the rewards yet, but however they are piling up on one side, and after they finish that we're going to see all those coins on our wallet. So now let's discuss exclusively about the price to see what's going on the chart. So we don't have a lot of history on the OOKI chart over here, but we do have daily discussion, so daily chart discussion over here on the price, because weekly and monthly are pretty much empty. As you can see, monthly have only 3 to 4 candles, while as you can see weekly chart over here is the same thing as the monthly. So let's go to the daily chart to cover what's happening and what are the possibilities for this coin. Seems like we do see some bullish momentum on the OOKI, and we're going to explain it right now and what could we expect from it in the next days or even weeks. So as you can see, after this drop that we had over here from this downtrend rally, you can see that the OOKI managed to get above 20 exponential moving average and make one flag. However, unfortunately, this flag over here that you can see, or consolidating triangle, break to the downside and continue its downtrend. However, in the previous few days we managed to break above 20 EMA again. You can see that the OOKI is trying hard to actually stay above 20 EMA over here, and so far we are successfully holding above this very important moving average on the daily chart. Also, we need to discuss about the RSI, because RSI is gaining that momentum to the upside, so we are seeing some sort of a strength. There are no bullish divergences yet, but we are seeing some momentum to the upside. Very important thing that we need to mention over here is the higher low on a little bit longer scale. You can see over here we have one low and then we have higher low over here, and you can even calculate this one. If we calculate the week on this day over here, we can understand these two candles as the capitulation of the bears over here from this downtrend, and after that we saw only higher lows, which means slowly but surely OOKI is building its own way to the upside. Also, how you can look this, since the chart is new, you can even say that this is over here the first wave, and then you saw the second wave on the Elliott theory. Usually we have 5 of them, and as you can see right now, most probably we are into the beginning of the third. You can confirm the second wave as the ABC correction over here, clear ABC correction. So don't ignore ABC correction on the second wave. So the next very important level that OOKI needs to break over here is actually 0.017, so 1.7 cents we need to break in order to see the uptrend. Why? Because if you manage to draw over here Fibonacci level, what you can see, 0.382 as support is there, but if you draw it as the target, then what you can see is that on that level stands the most important Fibonacci level, and that's 0.618. So you know that, and you can see that that line is going to be very important in the history. On the daily chart, you can see that the OOKI managed to retest these few times to trade around this area, so it is going to be important in the future as well. And already now you can see that we see some sort of a decline near this resistance, which means we are still not yet too ready for that big uptrend, especially because of the Bitcoin, because you can see the Bitcoin is on very important resistance. So make sure to watch the Bitcoin as well. The level that we need to stay above is 47.5 or $4,000 over here. If Bitcoin managed to hold above this level here, this red area that you can see right now, we are most probably going to see uptrend on the OOKI as well, because Bitcoin is drawing whole altcoin market either to the upside, either to the downside. So make sure to watch the Bitcoin. You're going to see early signals for the OOKI as well if you watch the Bitcoin movement. Now, where are the support lines? You can see over here that we should not break 20 exponential moving average, and I wouldn't recommend for the OOKI to go below this line over here, which is 1.3 cents. So let's say around 1.3 or even 1.4, these cluster of candles. I can even draw the bottom of them as well. So this level, if OOKI managed to hold above these levels over here, most probably we are going to be bullish. And if we break 0.618 Fibonacci level, which is 1.7 cents over here approximately, then we most probably are entering the new uptrend for the OOKI, so the new rally, new bull run for this altcoin. And for the end, I need to just mention the MACD. You can see that the MACD literally came from the dead over here. So we are getting for the first time in OOKI history above this neutral zone on the MACD, so above this histogram level, which is also going to be bullish as well if we continue to sustain this uptrend, or in other words, if Bitcoin manages to sustain its uptrend as well. So make sure to follow Bitcoin as well, ladies and gentlemen, and you're going to have your answer. So I think this is it for this episode. It was just quick update and review on the price. So far, personally, I am satisfied with the price. It does something very nice, and I hope it's going to continue to do so, because we are making those higher lows. We're seeing indicators positive lately, and most probably, hopefully, in the future they will stay also positive. And the moving average is also below us, which is very important. It needs to be below us in order to act as a support. So make sure to watch the OOKI and the Bitcoin, because they are highly correlated. I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos, and until the next update, happy trading and goodbye.